In this video, you are going to learn how you can share the internet through your cell phone's Bluetooth. You can send this to any device. We are going to go to the settings and go to where it says connections. And when we are in connection, we are going to where it says mobile hotspot and tethering. When we are here, what we should do is activate the small circle and place in the blue where it says tethering to the Bluetooth network. Now to select a device, share and the internet with the where we are going to go to the Bluetooth, and we are going to select one device. The other device must have it Bluetooth active. I am going to select this Redmi Note 7. I am going to the settings and activate here where it says internet access the device, and this is once it's ready, it's waiting for you connected. Some phones may not be compatible with the cinema my part, but generally you can do is this way. If you have any problems, we are the last comments, but this video has been useful to you.